Samsung is all set to hold this year's developer conference on October 3rd. Following the SDC24, Galaxy devices should start receiving the official One UI 7 update. We've compiled a tentative One UI 7 release schedule for your Samsung Galaxy. The most recent Samsung flagships could get the One UI 7 in late October. The initial rollout will kick off for the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. November will be a crucial month for Samsung fans awaiting Android 15. Several Galaxy flagships will receive the Stable One UI 7 upgrade in November. The list of devices should include Galaxy S23, Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S21 series. The company's favorite mid-range phones would also begin grabbing in late November. October, November, Galaxy Z series, Galaxy Z, Flip 3, Flip 4, Flip 5 and Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Fold 4, Fold 6 and Fold 6, Galaxy S series, Galaxy S21 series, FE2, Galaxy S22 series, Galaxy S23 series, FE2, Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Tab series, Galaxy Tab A9/A9+, Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, Galaxy Tab S8, S8+, Tab S8 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S9, S9+, S9 Ultra, November, December, Galaxy Tab series, Galaxy Tab A9, A9+, Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, Galaxy Tab S9 FE, S9 FE plus Galaxy A-MF series, Galaxy A05s, a 15, a 25, a 35, a 55, Galaxy A14, a 24, a 34, a 54, Galaxy A33, a 53, a 73, Galaxy M14, F14, Galaxy M34, M54, F54, Galaxy M15, M35, M55, F15, F55. Do note that the update plan is based on previous records and rollout tactics. This isn't a final roadmap that Samsung will follow in distribution. It's just an idea of eligible devices and their expected eligibility timeframe. The list is subject to change. Similar to last year, the Korean tech giant could open One UI 7 for all devices within this year. The sequential deployment will continue throughout the period, reaching millions of Galaxy S, Z, A, M, F, and Tab devices.